In this video, I am going to show you how to create an ipBurger account. So just doing a Google search on ipBurger, finding it in the search results. ipBurger is a great tool to use to manage your eBay stores. So here from the dashboard, and then at the bottom, you should have where it says don't have an account, sign up. That's where we're going to go ahead and click. So here you're going to provide your email that you use. Click on create an account. Here you just have some general information, the size of the team or company, what is your level of experience with proxies, beginner, and what is the main reason you need proxies, creating an account. You can go ahead and take me to the dashboard. Now that the account is created, you should receive an email to the email that you provided. And the email should look like this. And you will get a password to use for the first time. And then you can go ahead and change the password down the road. So the idea is to buy a fresh proxy. So you're going to go to the top of the page and you can see the word fresh. You're going to go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to go over to the right hand side and click on proxy plans. And once here, you're also going to switch to fresh. And here you have the basic, which is $20 a month, the plus, which is $38 a month, and pro, which is $54 a month. I suggest selecting the basic. It's important to select the word fresh. This is because you will get a proxy that was never used before. So you're going to click on fast checkout, and then here you can choose your fresh IP address. So you can actually choose the country. So once you select the country, you can go ahead and choose the billing cycle. I usually do not use the 1 month price because you do have to pay a $10 setup fee. So I do the 3 month price, which is $16.65 in my case. Then of course you have your order summary. Once you have looked through it and are satisfied, you can go ahead and click on continue. And that is how you create an ipBurger account and a proxy. So again, make sure to use the word fresh, and also a good mention is that they have a chat support with great customer service. And that wraps up this tutorial.